This is Tonybills system, and I'm introducing to you Rfid access control. So I have my power supply unit here. I have my Rfid access control, non-touch switch, and then I have my mag lock there. So I'm going to show you how it works. I can decide to open through the code, like for example the default code is hash 8888 hash. You see the access control is allowing an exit. Let me repeat again. uh, Hash 888 hash. Sorry, what I wrong is hash 8888 hash. You see the maglock there is allowing access. Or I can use this non-touch exit button like this. You see, yeah,